Okay, a very warm welcome to all of you, and thanks for joining me in this particular video. So, let me start by asking you something. Have you ever wondered how a thriving service company with loyal clients and years of growth can suddenly hit a wall? And I've seen it happen up close, and the real reason isn't always what you would think. We like to believe the big threats are outside, like competitors, the economy, maybe even changing technology. But you know what truly unravels boards and destroys businesses isn't a crisis you can spot in the balance sheet. It's actually quieter and far more dangerous. So, what happened is a few years back, I was working hands on with a service business that looked outstanding from the outside. 15 years of steady progress, genuine client loyalty, directors who knew their industry inside out. Yet, the atmosphere in board meetings has actually shifted, gradually at first. So, what happened is conversations once which were candid and constructive started feeling more like strategic chess matches. And instead of tackling the hard stuff, directors either kept quiet or tried to outdo each other. And I still remember this one particular meeting where instead of solving the actual problems on the agenda, two of the senior directors locked horns, and each so busy defending their perspective they missed the chance to listen. And the chair, who'd once set the tone for healthy debate, now just hoped each session would end without fireworks. And that's when I realized ego had quietly taken the driver's seat. Not big outbursts, just little moments of pride and self-protection stacking up week after week. Before I proceed, if you're enjoying this video and you want more impact-driven lessons on board excellence, business growth, self-mastery and leadership, do take a moment to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. It lets me know that you're finding this useful and even means you'll get first access to more transformative insights coming soon. Okay, so back to the story. That creeping ego turned decision making into a battlefield. Instead of sharing innovative ideas, what board members were doing is they became guarded, second guessing whether it was safe to speak up. And in less than a year, momentum stalled. The most forward thinking team members left for other firms, and the business, which was once known for decisive leadership, found itself paralyzed by indecision. So what do you do when you spot these early signs? The first step is to surface it with care. I encourage boards to make ego a regular reality check. Just name it. Are we actually debating the work or just defending ourselves? It's just a gentle nudge, but it changes the conversation. The second step is to rebuild trust, and that starts with ground rules: active listening, welcoming honest disagreement, and ensuring everyone's voice around the table gets airtime. Sometimes it really does help to bring in a neutral chair for a few meetings just to reset the tone and let everyone reflect. Third is put accountability front and center. Make actions clear, revisit them, and encourage people to challenge the old ways of working. In that particular service company, just this willingness to be honest, reflective, and open shifted everything. And within a few months, they regained clarity, they got new opportunities which were just flowing in, and the board felt energized, like a real leadership team again. So if your own boardroom feels stuck or you notice trust eroding, don't ignore it. Be the first to start the honest conversation. and you might just save years of hard work from being undone by something as small and as powerful as ego. So, my dear friends, look, thank you very much for staying with me. If you've seen ego derail a team or have your own story about boardroom transformation, I would love for you to share it in the comments. And for more hands on insights from real work with boards and business leaders, make sure you've subscribed. Until next time, keep leading with clarity, humility, and impact. Thank you very much.